Welcome, my dear students of class 10 to my history class. Today's topic, Second World War, chapter number 10, points Battle of Berlin, atomic bomb at Hiroshima and Nagasaki, consequences of the war, reconstruction of Europe, financial causes. Number 1, Battle of Berlin. You know, Adolf Hitler's main center was Berlin. During the Second World War, all hopes of Adolf Hitler nipped in the bud. What he expected during the first half of his war was totally gone. He did not have any knowledge that what was going to be happen. The Axis powers thought that during the Second World War they would conquer the whole world. Germany, Italy and Japan occupied so many territories of the world during the first and second half of the Second World War. But during the last half, all their hopes, expectations were gone because of their wrong strategy, wrong technique, wrong method, and the influence of the Allied powers. Once again they showed that they could fight not only by means of their military power but by means of their intelligence. They applied their intelligence. Britain, France and America unanimously applied their intelligence, collectively applied their intelligence, and as a result of it, they targeted, as soon as Germany considered several defeats, they targeted the main center of Hitler, Berlin. From two sides, Berlin was caught. From the side of Britain, France and America, and other one from other side means from the side of Soviet Union. But the time when Germany was fighting and waiting for the last defeat, Hitler remained under the underground system bunker, and as soon as the news of defeat reached Hitler committed suicide. Hitler committed suicide, and on the behalf of Germany, the military general Kittel surrendered. But still the Second World War was going on. Why? Because Japan did not surrender. Japan kept on fighting against the Allied powers and other European powers. As a result, and not only that, Japan destroyed the most important harbor of America, Pearl Harbor, killed so many Americans. It was a great insult for America. America openly challenged the authority of Japan, declared war, directly joined the Second World War because so many Americans, they lost their lives because of the aerial attack on Pearl Harbor by Japan. It was decided by America that either Japan surrender or they would destroy the two important and popular cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. America warned Japan, but Japan was not interested to surrender. Why? Because Japan decided to capture certain more areas of Europe. Japan wanted to have respect from the Allied powers. Japan expected that the Allied powers would offer alliance, and then they would sign the alliance, and the Second World War would come to an end. But why did the Allied powers offer such alliance for Japan? Because the condition of Japan also had become very much weak during the last half of the Second World War. And when the inactive role of America caused disturbance, Japan suddenly took a wrong decision. He attacked Pearl Harbor, the most important port of America. 28 Americans were killed, and hence America directly took part in the Second World War. As soon as Japanese government was threatened by America that either they would surrender or the two populous cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, would be attacked by them, Premier Tozo, Prime Minister of Japan, didn't care for it. But ultimately, America showed that what they forecasted, what they threatened, they could get it realized. As a result, on 6th August 1945, America dropped 2 atom bombs. First, it was dropped on Hiroshima on 6th August 1945 and another one on 9th August 1945 on Nagasaki. First one in Hiroshima and second one in Nagasaki. First one was held in the year 1945, 6th August, and second one was held in the same year 1945, 9th August. So the two most important cities of Japan, two populous cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, were totally destroyed. And the people who were still, alive, either they were surviving with many various types of skin diseases and other causes like cancer, like other skin diseases, severe skin diseases. And ultimately, Japan had to surrender on September 2nd, 1945. Premier Tozo surrendered before the Allied powers on 2nd October, 2nd September, he surrendered before the Allied powers, 2nd September 1945. And then the war, Second World War, came to an end. And now consequences of the war. To understand the consequences of the Second World War, we have to analyze certain points more. The first one was the economic structure of Europe, the reconstruction of Europe. Europe had become a shattered continent due to the Second World War. Extensive bombing had reduced many bridges, roads, official buildings, railway lines. With millions of able-bodied young men dead, the reconstruction of Europe was going to be a long and difficult task. because of that very prolonged war, ended, leaving very, very severe consequences. The region from the Baltic Sea to the Black Sea had become a place, the misery belt of the world. It obtained one title, that the title was the misery belt of the world, since it presented a sight of death and destruction. It ruined cities, towns, roads, factories. So the economic structure of the entire parts of Europe had become ruined. The entire parts of Europe had become ruined. The economy that was geared towards war had to be shifted to civilians' needs. A number of factories were to be reconstructed, roads were to be reconstructed, railway lines were to be newly set up, countries were to be strengthened, financial stability also was to be strengthened. Germany had become one of the most worst countries of the world after the Second World War. Nothing was left for Germany. Post-war Europe was divided into Western capitalism. Post-war Europe was divided into two parts. Western capitalism headed by America and Eastern communism headed by Soviet Union. Berlin was caught from two sides. America, England and France, these three countries were there in one side, and in other side Soviet Union was there. So the contrast between these two powers, Allied powers and America and Soviet Union, occurred due to their political ideologies. One favored Western capitalism and one favored Eastern communism. So there was a sharp contrast between these two powers. Allied powers means Britain, France and America, and other power means Soviet Union. So they started opposing each other because of their political ideology and contradiction. These two economic ideologies were in sharp contrast to each other and opposed each other in such a manner that the battle lines were drawn out in Europe, and once again they were going to fight against each other, because a new era started. The name of that very era was Cold War. Cold War. That means one weak country faced financial crisis and burden. Then there came a competition between these two powers, Soviet Union and Allied powers, means France, England and France, Britain and America. Who would help them? Who would help that very country? First, Russia reached there, Soviet Union reached there to help. Okay, I am ready to help you. What's your problem? Tell us. We are ready to help you. Financial crisis. Crisis for your weapons. We are ready to supply you weapons at a very low interest. Now you accept the concept of Soviet communism. So in order to curb the spread of communism throughout Europe and world, the Allied powers also remain busy in helping such weak nations, weak countries, during the post-war period. As a result, so many European countries of the world, they came under the control of the two powers. It was under the control of the capitalism of America, under capitalism, Western capitalism, under the control of Britain, France and America, and in other side, under the control of communism maintained by Soviet Union. So this new phase created a new era at the end of the Second World War. And the Axis powers, Germany, Italy and Japan, since the Axis powers were defeated, the political map of Europe also had to be redrawn due to political ideologies. New alliances also were made due to the interest of themselves. In one side, Soviet Union was maintaining it, controlling it, and in other side, Britain, France, and America were maintaining it. The entire political crisis, the entire economic problems of different weak countries, weak nations of the world, both of the two powers started the new war. This war is known as Cold War. Cold War. So up to this, my dear students, next day, the remaining point. Thank you.